and today I'm here in the science exhibition where I'm going to present about the astronomy gallery. And here this is our college telescope, and to this particular telescope we have observed a lot of things. We have captured a lot of videos, we have captured a lot of images of a space. Here I will show you some of the footage which are captured, and this is my first footage displaying about the moon. Well, this is a footage of a moon which is captured to our telescope. If you see over here, these are the craters on the moon. So there are a lot of craters on the moon, and these particular craters on the moon are formed because of a continuous hitting of asteroids, meteoroids and other different types of objects which are there in the space. So if you see the moon landscape of a moon, the landscape of an entire moon is covered by the large amount of craters. If you see this particular mountain, there are different types of a mountain range which are located over here. Whereas the Apollo 15 satellite, which was launched by the US, was landed at this particular spot. If you see in more detail, this is a big long mountain range, like how we have a Western Ghats. Like that, a similar type of a mountain ranges are also present in the on the moon. Whereas if you see the texture of a soil of a moon, some places the texture are light in color, some places the textures are dark in color. This shows that the soil texture on the moon has a different compositions of minerals. And if you see the size of a craters, some of the craters are shallow in size, some of the craters are deep, and some of them are very big. To show you the second footage which is recorded to our telescope, this is a footage of a comet. Here you can see the movement of a comet which is passing, and this particular comet comes after every 40 years, and it is located close to the planet Mars. So there is a Mars, and this is a movement of a comet. So it will come after every 40 years. This particular comet is visible from the Earth's surface. Well, I will show you some of the visions, images, what we can do on the telescope. So when we see the night sky, we see the night sky with the naked eyes like this, where hardly few stars are visible for us. But if you see through the telescope, you can get plenty amount of stars which are present in the universe. Then if you merge a telescope with a camera, you can see a dust of things present in the universe. So all these particular things are present, but only because our eyes are not that powerful to see all those particular things, we cannot see, and we try to miss lot of things which are there in the universe, and hardly we end up looking only few amount of not even a 1% of things which are present in the universe. Well, here you can see there is a large amount of gas, a large amount of dust which is accumulated, and this particular dust and gas accumulated to form a clouds. Now these particular clouds are the formation of a new star which is known as a nebula. So over a period of a time, after the billions of years, a new star will be formed from this particular cloud. Well, this is a neighboring galaxy which is known as Andromeda galaxy, and the shape of this particular galaxy is a spiral shape, and this particular galaxy is known as a neighboring galaxy. If you see in detail in this particular galaxy, you can see that thousands and thousands of stars are present in this particular galaxy. Whereas like this type of galaxies, there are millions of galaxies present in the universe. So with this you can predict how big is our universe.